Hi, welcome back to Creative Digital Designs. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a digital product idea that you can create in the wedding niche. So this digital product is going to be a day of wedding day timeline or run of the show type of Canva template that you can go ahead and sell on Etsy or your website. And we're going to create this I'm getting the idea from ChatGPT, and then I went ahead into Canva AI to create this design. So what I did was, and you can do this for a lot of different niches, I looked to see what is a great niche or a great product for the wedding industry, and we have the day of. So when I went ahead and put this in Canva AI, this is what it came up with, and this can be published and edited as well. And so, as you can see here, you have a wedding day timeline. We have the time, the event, the details, vendors or contact information, and then you go ahead and hit add event once you add your details. And what I did was I told it to create this wedding design, wedding day timeline, run the Joe Canva template, make it fully editable Canva file, an optional printable PDF file, where the couple can fill in their ceremony, reception schedule, vendors, timing, transitions, to dos. So this is what it came up with. If you go back over here to ChatGPT, this is originally what it gave me. And I'm going to go ahead and add more details because I said that I want them to break it down even more. So as you can see here, we have like the morning routine, ceremony, reception and dinner. You want to give them a vendor contact sheet, travel, all of these different things, event wrap-ups, and the day of roles, who holds the rings, who has the marriage license, all of that. So we're going to go ahead and copy, and we're going to tell them to add this. Add these details. And we're going to let it go ahead and start updating this version and adding to the code. Could take a couple of minutes. So we're going to go back over here while it does that. And I'm going to show you. So if you go over here to home and you go to Canva AI, just because to go over that again, I just selected code and then I had them create that design. So I basically copied what ChatGPT gave me and I said, create this design, and I gave them the details. And this is what they came up with originally. So I wanted to have a little bit more detail. So that is why I went ahead and told ChatGPT to break it down a little bit further so that we can make sure that the wedding day schedule or template has pretty much everything that they can expect on the wedding day. And what's good about the wedding niche is people will spend more money on this niche naturally just because of what it is. So this digital product you can sell at a higher ticket price, and you can market it different ways to be able to stand out. You can put in specific types of weddings, whether it's small weddings or boho wedding, whatever different themes that you want to create with these templates. You can go ahead and do that to stand out. But I think that a wedding planner or wedding day schedule, I think that this will be something that people would want to look. It's already a very stressful day. And so we're going to go ahead and see what it comes up with. And while this is doing this, as we know, that Canva just had a conference, and every time they have a conference, they roll out new features. So I will be creating some videos of some of these new features, and you guys can let me know some of the things that you would be interested in and comment down below. Also, subscribe so that you don't miss a video. Like this video, and I appreciate you guys for watching. But it says right here that it can save your data and connect it to a sheet. So this is great as well. So it does take a couple minutes sometimes because it is coding a lot. So we're going to come back when this is done. Okay, we're back and it's giving us way more details. Here we have at the top, we have whose wedding is, the date, We have the morning prep ceremony, reception photography. As you scroll down, you can have all of these details. We have the different sections here. And if you don't like these emojis, you can tell them to replace these with real images. There's all type of things that you can edit. As you can see here, they have the morning prep schedule, and you can mark as done. You can delete it. And so we have the hair and makeup begins. We have the photographer arrives, and you can edit all of this. You have the bride gets dressed. Um, so we have all of this that we can edit. Photography first looks, what time, when you're going to have family photos, when the guests should arrive, when the reception, and then the evening grand exit. So you can go ahead, and we have the vendor context. So if, just to keep it, especially if you're having a smaller wedding and you don't have a major wedding planner, this is really great for family to be able to contact certain people that need to replace things or make changes. You can all have this in one reference. Maybe the maid of honor um, can review this as well. Travel and logistics here. You can have all of these the day of roles. So who is the ring bearer, who holds the marriage license, who's the vendor contact, family photographer coordinator, make sure everybody comes together. We know that this can be a crazy time with a lot of people, having to manage them. And we have someone who can manage the gifts as well. So this is the full thing that you can go ahead and use in design. So we're going to go ahead and say use in design. And you can create a whole website off of this if you wanted to, where you could connect a domain directly in Canva. But we can go ahead and do it in presentation. We can do it as a doc. We can do it as a whiteboard. Select it here. And all you have to do is double click to interact. As you can see here, if you can click through this, go ahead and hit edit. And this is where you can change out the names, the date, the location, different title, the title of it. You can change that as well. You can go ahead and add an event. And there you go. So you can go ahead and edit that portion as well. We have the data. So we can go ahead, and it's connected to a Canva sheet. So as you can see, once you click on that Canva sheet, you can now change all of these things. You can change the time that it's going to occur. You can change the name of these. You can change any of the details that you want here, vendors, the location. You can go ahead and put the specific location. If you wanted to change the section names, you can go ahead and change all of that in the spreadsheet. And then once you update it in the spreadsheet, it will change over here as well. So like I said, you can go back here, and if you don't want to update it, let's say that you wanted to do a website instead, now you can have a full website. And you'll need to double click to interact once again. And what you'll need to do is you'll need to publish the website, of course, but you'll need to go ahead and click get a new domain. And wherever you buy your domain from, whether it's GoDaddy, you can go ahead and bring your domain here, or you can get a free Canva domain. And you'll be able to connect your domain, and you can share this as a website link to your guest, and you can edit it all in Canva. So this is how you would, and then when you're selling it on Etsy, you're going to go ahead and create this is a website, so you wouldn't share this as a website. You would probably share this in the other way. That way you can share this as a template. So you're going to go ahead and hit a template link, and they can go ahead and update this. The good thing about this is they can actually copy this whole thing and move this to any type of format that they want. If they wanted to put this on a PDF instead and download this as more like a interactive PDF, they could do that as well. I think it is better as a to be able to use directly in Canva just because of what it is. But yeah, this is a has been a wedding digital product idea that you can create. And if you don't want to create it this way, you can create it as an actual design. If you don't want to create it with the AI, you could make it as a regular PDF file that they can go ahead and fill in if you would like. And so if you like this video, I appreciate if you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what type of video that I should create next, and subscribe so that you don't miss a video. And have a great day. Bye bye.